Hello fam, how you doing? This is Aislee here coming to you with Family Legacy Club and Hustle Dads. So today I have a IPC Intelligence Prime Capital update that I want to share with you guys out there. And if you're looking for some information because of all the craziness that's going on right now with the how volatile the atmosphere as far as with IPC is, well, I'm gonna give you, the information that I have to share. But before I do that, let me remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor at all. I'm just out here in the online space, online social media, sharing with you guys, not only how I grow my crypto, but other assets, whether it be real estate, online income producing opportunities, you name it. All right. Also, let you guys know my channel, this channel right here is pretty new, created so that we can share opportunities like this and document our journey, along the way with the opportunities that we're participating in, and also as we grow our Family Legacy Club and community. My partner, Aliasa, and I. So anyway, let's jump right to it real quick. All right, so if you guys are in IPC Intelligence Prime Capital, then there's been a lot of changes or issues going on lately, whether it's been folks being able to withdraw their funds on IPC, whether the company getting shut down in the US, apparently, or not allowing new signups or allow us to market or promote IPC in the US anymore. So a lot of glitches, there was some glitches with MT4 accounts. For the most part, at the beginning, they fixed a lot of it, but these are just red flags. When I see stuff like this, it just kind of, creates red flags, and just want to make you guys aware. One of the things we share with you always is don't put in any your bill money, rent money, grocery money. Just only put in what you can afford in the various different platforms and diversify. So make sure that you don't put all your eggs in one basket. All right. And sometimes I'm guilty of that, making sure that I get too gung-ho on one particular project that's doing well, because it's doing well today, who knows tomorrow or whatever. So you just got to position yourself in the right way, get those funds, and you're going to always hear me talk about then play with house money once you, make your return. Don't be greedy. Get your initial capital return as soon as possible and play with house money, and you'll be fine. All right. So with that, what's going on here with IPC, guys? So if you see the screen here, you can see I just logged into my IPC account. All right, so I'm gonna close this. That comes up. This is another attention, pretty standard every time you log in. All right, so let you know, first of all, the IPC website members area was down earlier today. Now the main website wasn't, but I rarely ever go to that website. I just go straight here to the members area. And when I went to the members website today, it was down. I don't even have a screenshot of what it was like when it was down, but it was kind of scary if you have money sitting in the account. And before I get into it, let me just point out that I actually requested, I got some of my money, but not all of my money. I requested $3,000 out pre-weekend, Friday. All right, and so that request was pending. And I had about $1,500 in some other funds that IPC actually moved over to this Blue Wallet, and I initiated a trade withdrawal on that. And when I received those pretty quickly, a $900 something withdrawal and a $500 something withdrawal, basically, $1,500 that I received. But this actually, my first withdrawal, this $3,000, ended back up into my MT4 trading account. And so I went in today. So when, to go in and do a withdrawal. So I go in to do a withdrawal and logged out here, log back in. First of all, let me do internal transfer. So that's what's going on right there. I have to transfer the money, all right, from my MT4 wallet, and that shows $3,000 there. I got to put in 3,000. Verification code. They'll send me a verification code here. All right, so verification code is 855. My Google Authenticator, and this is the two-step process. If you definitely want to have your authenticator on for security reasons, and you're going to see that internal transfer not allowed on weekdays, trading account balance, whatever that is right there. But listen, I already knew that was going to come up because you can't, trade, take out the MT4 until the weekend, but they put it straight back into my MT4 instead of my wallet, which I can withdraw from that IPC wallet anytime into one of my personal wallets. So anyway, this is not good. This is not good. So when you go to the announcements, all right, and so there was an announcement today, right? And let's dive into this. We would like to provide an official statement on the incident that currently affecting the platform. Preliminary investigation revealed that the system has encountered a large-scale security breach. Immediate action was taken to protect the platform. Fortunately, users globally were severely affected, and overall losses amounted to 80% of the total funds on the platform, which is crazy. 80% of the total funds. So one of the things I noticed in IPC when they first started, one of my flags, and I was hoping that it would last a little bit longer than what has lasted so far without having these problems and glitches, was a question I could not ever get answered. And this question was, in IPC, on your first level of referrals, they paid you 30% of what the referrals earn. Now, IPC collects 20% of your profits during the week, right? So let's say you made $1,000 worth of profits during the week, then IPC will collect $200, and then they will put $800 into your internal wallet there for you to be able to withdraw, or you can reinvest and put it back in the MT4, the compound, right? So when they were paid $200 on that 1,000, well, they're paying your upline person or whoever sponsored that person 30% of that $1,000 as well. So they're paying them $300. So IPC collected $200, but then they paid out $300 to somebody. Those numbers don't add up. Where are they getting the $300 from? To pay. And one of the questions I was, are they not the percentage or the profit that they're paying you? Are they holding some of that profit back? So when they're trading, are they just giving you a certain percentage of the profit that was actually made off your money in your account? I don't know. Who knows? I mean, that math doesn't add up. Therefore, in going in, I had to be more cautious and just hope there was some explanation that I did not know. Therefore, you can only put in, so much in a platform that you as far as trust before you move forward. So anyway, moving on, guys. That question there. As a company, the value transparency and security. It pains us to see such an incident happen. However, rest assured that the company will take full responsibility for the security breach and will use our own funds to compensate affected users. We are now conducting a thorough security review and will post updates as we progress. Our technical team is also working round the clock to identify the security gap and have every confidence that such a devastating incident will not happen again. Okay, so they said they're going to take responsibility and they're going to, I guess, funds compensate everybody. So we'll see. As a result of the security breach, most of the AI bots have been compromised, resulting in a loss of crucial data and statistical parameters that will affect the ability to make accurate analysis on the market. Therefore, a decision has been made by the management team to transfer all existing operations to our new master bot. The capital of each user will be transferred to the master bot, and you will be able to continue receiving your daily rewards. We hope to demonstrate our sincerity and goodwill and guarantee that the trading capital of each user is reimbursed in full. All right. This is very alarming. Two things. One is I don't like this word they have in here, rewards, right? Daily rewards. When you use rewards, that rewards program we'll do in another video versus having your principal return plus interest on that profits, as opposed to just like a membership based platform rewards such as Hyperfund and stuff like that. So that's alarming. But what's really alarming as well is the Master C bot, which is the crypto bot, the new bot. New bot is supposed to pay a little bit more. Okay, all right. I learned early on that it's not the return on investment, it's the return of investment. All right, so what does that mean? I don't care if you're telling me I'm getting 50% a month, 100% a month, 10% a month, or whatever the percent is. It doesn't matter if I can't ever get that return of an investment. So therefore, getting 10% a month, that is very likely you're going to receive that, is better than getting 50% of some fairy tale dream type of deal where you don't even see a penny of it or very little of that. So always keep that in mind. Don't get sold on the higher percentages all the time, as opposed to you got to weigh it. You got to weigh. But the thing with the Master C bot is, one, I hope they don't hold those standards that they put when they put the Master C bot out there. They told everybody that their funds will be locked up for 100 days. That's number one. All right. So your funds will be locked up for 100 days. Number two is, I don't know. I don't have the information yet. Are we going to be able to pull the profits every week? And are they going to be locked up for 100 days? I don't need my capital locked up for 100 days. All right. I'm just stating that, because that's 100 days for them to come up with some more stuff that happened. Another breach, another this, another that, or whatever. All right. I'm not into the smoke and mirrors. And, I want to be, not like to be, but will be, just transparent with everybody, so that we can work together as a team and make the best decisions. And that's just how it is. All right. So with that, guys, blah, blah, blah. So we're proud to announce immediate launch of IP Cloud, a decentralized crypto wallet. All right, whatever. I don't even have time and energy to jump into that. I want to hear about that right now until you guys fix this. All right. At IPC Capital, we believe that company has a responsibility to provide a professional and safe platform to our users. Yes, you need to. And we appreciate the patience and understanding. Do we have a choice? As we continue to perform our investigation on the incident, rest assured that the team is on top of the situation and working fast to resolve this. Thank you for your support. Okay. All right. That's it. As far as right now, the update, I just shared with you guys that you need to make sure that you are diversified. Hopefully don't let this scare you. A lot of people put all their eggs in one basket, and then panicking, which I understand. I don't like to lose any money. All right. But we have some other platforms, programs that we are participating in right now. And I'll have some of the links under here in this video, just some. I don't have all of them posted yet because we're putting together everything on our new channel and website and stuff like that. If you want to join Family Legacy Club, find out more about our Family Legacy Club and the vote that we have, the cash flow vote, which has all our income producing opportunities that we're participating in, and also how you turn $27 into $4,381 in 7 days or more. Check out Family Legacy Club. All right, guys. With that, I'm out. Bye.